Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon, then hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Type copy space *.* space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command. bcdedit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type run space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.